kasi ako kung saan yun.
Now serving number 10.
Grabe yan. Ano eh? Dala lang yun, dala lang.
Now serving number 41. Now serving number 41. Now serving number 31. Now serving number 31.
Bye-bye. 감사합니다.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Liranim.
Yes.
Okay. Kumusta? Ana kay second baby?
Opsayo.
Sa'yo. Planning pa, planning?
Not yet. I'm
not
not
yet.
ready.
Okay. So, it's been a while, no? Sukad no nga. Wata nagkita.
3
Okay.
months already.
3 months?
3 months. 3 months push no? It's been 3 months.
Okay. It's been 3 months. So, I'm here to deliver. You have bugas. 25 kilogram of rice and 3,000 pesos for you. Okay. And that is your allowance. Unsa may plano nimo na imong money?
I will save this for coming birthday of my daughter.
Your baby?
Yes.
Bika 1? 2?
2.
2 years old.
2 years old.
Aras.
Coming this 22.
Karon June 22 deh.
Oh.
Okay. Aras so. Okay. And that is from Ihojini.
이효진님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Manimuko everyone. Ang naghataga na kay si Kuan, yung taknim.
Yung taknim, kamsahamnida.
Kaon na, kaon na.
Okay lang.